How to work with user's position library. Chapter 2. Create sliding windows from scratch. The procedure of making sliding positions in the position library is exactly the same with the hinged positions. The only difference in the sliding systems is that AlumilCAL is considering sliders as doors with door hardware. This means that locks, striking plates, handles, pull handles will not be linked to any dimension-orientated formula. So if we need to create lift and slide typologies, or use multi-lock locks, like GU inline, we have to make one typology per range of height, so that we will use shorter or longer lock, according to our wish. Regarding the handle selection, here we can select the desired one. This selection can be changed later by modifying position while we import it. However, color selection is typical, and later on the color will be changed according to project preferences. Since we are done with first dimension range, we can move on by creating the rest. The only thing we need to do is copy the existing one, change the dimensions and then fix the hardware. Once we finish with the different dimensions, we are ready to move to next typology. In the example of this chapter, I created all possible heights. Note that it's not necessary to create left and right typologies, since there is the mirror function later. Like in the hinged positions, while we import the typology we can change dimensions, descriptions, colors, mirror the position and even modify it before finalizing it. I selected to modify the hardware, just to present you that the hardware color has been changed from black, that we selected while we were creating the position in the library, to white, that we selected while we're importing the typology to the current project. That's all. In next chapter we will see how to create windows and door insertions.